Hey everybody, welcome on in. So today we're going to be making something so scrumptious, and not only scrumptious, it's going to be very healthy for you. So I've already taken the liberty of washing off of the spinach. I know that it's already pre-washed, but I just like to go ahead and do it again. I'm going to get a cucumber. I do have some iceberg lettuce, a very crispy, juicy apple, and I'm just going to take the liberty of going ahead and slicing them up. Hey, if you're new here, go ahead and check my channel out. If there's something that interests you, go ahead and keep watching and make sure that you subscribe, and most definitely give me a thumbs up. This is a very nutritious and healthy meal. Yes, I said meal. It doesn't matter if you're having it with fish, maybe you want some chicken, just getting that poultry in and protein, and you're getting veggies, and you're getting salad, and you're getting apples. Okay? It just can go on and on. It's how you make it. So now that the apples are already sliced in, the spinach leaves and the iceberg lettuce, I've already sliced up the cucumbers. Now I'm just going to start layering in the bowls. Okay, so I'm just going to take these sun-made raisins, and I'm going to go ahead and use about a tablespoon full, and yes, I'm going to go ahead and top them off in both of the bowls. They look so yummy. Just balance it out with a little tangy, a little sweetness. Oh my goodness, it's nothing like a flavorful salad. There's nothing, like I said, a very flavorful salad. So that's what we're doing here. We're just gonna go ahead and make sure that we add as much flavor as we like. Another veggie that you can use is a beet, but I love these green olives. Now you can also use the black olives, but I do love these green olives. They're just so good. Yes. Oh my goodness, they look so delicious. Whether you're using tortilla chips, I like croutons on my salad. So you can use the Santa Fe chips, or you can use croutons. Now look at that salad. It looks so yummy. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put a few on. Yes, I'm making 2 salads at once. Okay. So you can make your salads with a to-go containers, and your salads are already be ready. So if you're prepping just to eat healthier, you're on a weight loss journey, then this would be a good idea. Okay, this salad dressing is a zesty Italian dressing, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze some on. Not too much, but just enough so it just gives off a great aroma and it's flavorful because we eat with our eyes. So, yes. Yes, getting my greens in. So I hope that this video is inspiring you in some type of way. And if you find any value in it, make sure that you give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, share it, or subscribe. Either or, it will be so helpful. And not only is this salad healthy, it is affordable. And it is one of my go-to meals when I just want to cut calories, eat less, eat lighter, and do a bit of detoxing. What's your favorite salad dressing? Mine is ranch. I also like Caesar. I also like blue cheese, and I think one of my favorite salad dressings is by Hidden Valley Ranch. It's so good. But on a pinch, I'll just buy any other brand and try to season it up a little bit myself. So yes. But what's your favorite salad dressing? Well, I'm just going to go ahead and put some avocado on there. Yes, avocados are good fats. So I'm just going to go ahead and spoon out some avocado on top of the salad. Yes, yes, yes. And yes, yes, yes again. Yummy. All right, let's go ahead and take a deep dive and look at the calories. Yes, very, very low in calories, right? 3 cups, okay? So you have about a 2.5 servings. So you're only gonna get 20 calories. And that's why it is so good to fill up on greens. Not only is it healthy, it's very low in calories, okay? Yes, just 25 calories for the olives, okay? You get about 11 of them, and that's only 25 calories. And you get 11 servings out of that. So for the salad dressing, you have 80 calories, so you can get 2 tablespoons, and that will give you 80 calories. For the raisins, that's not too bad. You get 120 calories, yes, for a 1/4 cup. So that's not bad. And then the cayenne pepper, it just spices things up, and 0 calories. Yes, avocado and cucumber, low in calories as well. The croutons are not bad, 30 calories, okay? So always read the back of your labels. They will help you stay on track. It is a guide. All right, go ahead and make yourself a salad. I'm going to enjoy mine, and I will catch you back on my next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.